Looking for the best mirror dashcam to upgrade your car in 2026? Mirror dashcams combine a rearview mirror, front and rear cameras, parking surveillance, GPS tracking, and smart driving features into one convenient device. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best mirror dashcams on AliExpress 2026 based on features, video quality, smart functions, reliability, and overall value for money. Be sure to watch until the end because our #1 pick offers advanced multi-camera monitoring and safety features usually found in premium vehicles. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4-channel mirror dashcam 4K Wi-Fi GPS ADAS BSD 12-inch rearview mirror DVR. Taking the top position is this powerful 4-channel mirror dashcam packed with premium features. The system combines a 4K front camera with 3 additional Full HD cameras, creating nearly complete vehicle coverage. Whether you're driving, parking, or reversing, the multiple camera views help eliminate blind spots and provide valuable evidence in case of accidents. The large 12-inch display delivers excellent visibility, while ADAS, BSD, GPS, Wi-Fi, and parking monitoring create a complete smart driving solution. For drivers looking for maximum protection and professional-grade surveillance, this model offers one of the most comprehensive feature sets available on AliExpress in 2026. Pros: 4-camera complete vehicle coverage, crystal clear 4K front recording, large 12-inch touchscreen display, ADAS and blind spot detection, GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connectivity, enhanced parking surveillance. The best overall mirror dashcam on AliExpress in 2026, offering premium safety, coverage, and smart driving features in one package. Number 2. 4K mirror dashcam 4-channel Wi-Fi GPS with ADAS and BSD. Taking vehicle safety to another level, this 4-channel mirror dashcam offers expanded coverage and advanced driving assistance technologies. With multiple cameras monitoring different areas around the vehicle, drivers gain significantly better visibility and security. Features like ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, blind spot detection, reverse assist, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity help improve awareness and reduce driving risks. Pros: 4-camera monitoring system, blind spot detection BSD, ADAS safety features, GPS and Wi-Fi included, enhanced parking protection. Perfect for drivers who prioritize safety and maximum vehicle coverage. Number 3. Adinkam 11-inch 4K plus 1080p SONY STARVIS 2 mirror dashcam. The Adinkam 11-inch mirror dashcam is designed for drivers who prioritize image quality, especially at night. Featuring Sony's STARVIS 2 image sensor, this dashcam excels in low-light environments and captures highly detailed footage during nighttime driving. The 4K front camera delivers impressive sharpness, while GPS tracking and Wi-Fi support add convenience. It also includes 24-hour parking monitoring for added security when your vehicle is parked. Pros: Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, excellent night vision performance, 4K front camera recording, GPS tracking included, 24-hour parking surveillance. A fantastic choice for drivers who frequently drive at night and want superior video quality. Number 4. 10-inch touchscreen mirror dashcam. This 10-inch mirror dashcam focuses on simplicity and affordability while still offering front and rear recording. The full-touch display provides a modern user experience and replaces your standard rearview mirror with a larger digital view. Front and rear cameras help capture road incidents from multiple angles. The user-friendly interface makes it a great option for first-time dashcam buyers who want essential recording features without spending too much money. Pros: large 10-inch touchscreen display, front and rear camera recording, simple installation, user-friendly interface, budget-friendly pricing. An excellent value option for drivers seeking a basic yet effective mirror dashcam setup. Number 5. Acceo 4K dashcam rearview with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The Acceo 4K dashcam rearview is a great choice for drivers who want more than just a dash camera. This model combines a high-resolution recorder with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The front camera records in 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures 1080p video, providing clear footage for daily driving and incident recording. Built-in Wi-Fi allows quick access to recordings to a smartphone app. One of its biggest selling points is the smart connectivity, letting drivers use navigation, calls, and music directly through the mirror display. Pros: built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K front recording quality, Wi-Fi smartphone connectivity, large touchscreen mirror display, easy access to navigation apps. A solid entry-level smart mirror dashcam for drivers wanting both entertainment and recording capabilities in one device. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best mirror dashcams on AliExpress 2026. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly mirror camera, crystal-clear 4K recording, advanced night vision, or a complete 4-channel safety system with ADAS and blind spot detection, there's a perfect option on this list for every driver. You'll find links to all the featured products in the video description below, so be sure to check them out and compare the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you find your next dashcam, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech and AliExpress product reviews.